Speed met a fan and she walked away after smelling him. All right, let's watch the clip.
Oh, what's up? How you doing? You like the car?
Chat, she wasn't doing this. That's just how girls walk, bro. She wasn't saying I stink. I feel like going back up to that Waffle House just to ask her, do I really stink? All right, chat, let's go, bro. Can you just smell me real quick and just be honest if I stink or not?
Really, Steve? I'm not gonna smell your piss. I'm gonna give you a hug.
Okay.
I'll let you know.
Do I stink?
It's not killing anyone.
No, like, give it a good smell. Regular.
You don't stink that. You don't stink.
Why are you coughing?